So about 2 weeks ago, I took a quick trip to New York. It was like a one-day trip, and I had the iPhone 14, and I was like, you know what? Let me record my travels. I'm just getting around to editing it. This video is just to kind of do a vlog style video on the iPhone 14 from sun up to sundown. And also this video was edited on the iPhone 14 using LumaFusion as well. And this video is also shot and rendered in HDR. So if you're watching it on a phone or if you're watching on an HDR monitor, you should get the best results. Anyways, guys, hopefully you enjoyed the video. Peace. See you in about 12 hours. Yo, so I'm on the way to New York right now for roughly, I'd say 12 hours. I have a quick meeting that I have to go to in the city, so I'm gonna take you along on my journey. Let's get it in. So I just landed in New Jersey right now. We're gonna go ahead and take the tram to the city. I've never taken the tram. I've always done like Ubers and stuff like that, but it's very expensive. It's like 80 bucks to do it. So we're gonna take the tram this time around and see if it's better. All right, just made it to the tram. That was a little bit more difficult than I thought it was, but now we have a 30-minute ride into the city. All right, finally made it into the city now after taking that tram. I don't know what that was. So we're here in the city, about to head down to the Apple store. Got to take another train. We're taking the subway this time down to the Apple store. So this is my train right behind me. And next stop is the brand new Apple store that I wanted to check out. Last time I was here, I didn't get a chance to check it out. So here we are. Okay, we're here at the stop. This is 59th and 5th Avenue. Let's get some focus on there. 59th and 5th Avenue. And we are headed up to check out the Apple store. The craziest thing to me is how the subway system is so loud, but quickly becomes silent when there's no train and no activity. It is the most eeriest thing ever. Where just a minute ago it was so loud I couldn't hit record, and now it's so silent that my voice is echoing. Crazy. So we're coming up in Central Park right now. The Apple store is actually right across the street from Central Park. You can definitely hear the city right above me. You know, Central Park to me is like one of those cool places that in the middle of this hustle and bustle, we have this very beautiful park, which I find very interesting that it's like in this location, but it kind of makes sense as people kind of want to get away and escape all the busyness that is literally across the street. All right, finally made it to Central Park, and every time I come visit, it's just, I don't know, it sort of just takes me to like this weird spot where you're just like in the middle of this bustling city, and then you come into this area, and then the trees and the nature kind of blocks the sound, and you sort of forget where you're at. You know, I'm from a big city, but I also live further away, so coming to a place like this kind of reminds me of home a little bit, you know? Finally made it here to the Apple store. If you've never seen it before, it is literally just a big glass cube, and then you walk underground, and that is where it's at. It is so big. I'm going to show you once you get inside. It is absolutely sprawling. And here we are going down the spiraling staircases at the Apple store. I actually like these things right here. I like those ones. You gotta do that thing. That's pretty convenient. All right, these little pods that are right here, you can actually look down and see inside the Apple Store. Rumor has it, if you look in this one, you'll see the iPhones. Let's see. Oh, look at that. Actually see the iPhones. That's pretty cool. It's always these like little attention to details that like people really love about like Apple. And this Apple Store here on Fifth Ave is it's pretty nice. We're about to head down to Clinton Street Baking Company to try out their famous pancakes. I've been hearing a lot about them, so I'm really excited to try them out. Fun fact about me, I can eat breakfast any time of day. So right now it is roughly almost noon. I'm ready to eat some pancakes. I'm ready for some breakfast. Fortunately, but maybe unfortunately, there is actually a line out the door. So we're gonna see what the wait is. Give it 7 out of 10. 7. Let's see if the wait's actually worth it. I'm really hungry. Okay, so the food was alright. I wouldn't say it was great, but it was okay. Now I'm on the way to Apple right now. We have a hands-on event for the new iPhone that I'm currently using, but I'm mainly coming here to meet my PR reps, and you know, with COVID and everything, haven't had a chance to meet all the people that I work with, so just going hands-on, well, going face-to-face with those people, so it's gonna be dope. All right, we just got back from Apple, and I found this guy right here.
Yeah.
The Prince of Nigeria.
Not yet.
Not yet. And yeah, I have about an hour left in the city, and we're just kind of hanging out. We're gonna help him with some of his content, and yeah, that's what we're doing. All right, just finished at the Apple event. Everything went great, well worth it. And now I'm actually back in the subway, going back to the airport to make it home. Cutting it kind of close, but I'm sure we'll make it. All right, we just made it through security, now heading to the gate. I have like 10 minutes to spare before boarding happens, so I actually made it through. Man, I keep cutting it close, man. I gotta get to the airport faster, but it's been a crazy like 10 hours here in New York. Hung out with Apple, got a chance to meet some of the PR reps, got a chance to see some people I haven't seen in a while, so it's all good. It's 9:15 p.m. and I made it back home. Well, back to the airport, like 30 minutes from home, but like, it feels like it's been longer than a full day. It feels like I was gone at least a couple days, but it's just one of those things. You just keep pushing, keep grinding all day long, and I don't know, it feels like it's been 2 days. This is always the trickiest part, just finding a car, I guess. I take pictures of where I'm at and all those things, but I still struggle to find a car. Okay, I heard it. It sounds very far away. Oh gosh. It's like down here somewhere. I can also flash the lights too if I need to. I think it's down here. So I think I hear it down this way more. Bruh, I'm cut off. God. So I have to go that way and then back around. Let's go, baby. Just where I left you. Whew, made it back to the car. It is 9:44 p.m. Whew, it's been a long, crazy day. Still got a half-hour drive home, but whew, what a crazy day.